Hi everyone, in this video, NCERT solution for class 6 science chapter 16. Okay, garbage in and garbage out. Okay, so exercise question is started. Okay, first, first, which kind of garbage is not converted into compost? Why the red worms? Okay, and second, B question is, have you seen any other organism besides redworms in your pit? If yes, try to find out their names. Draw picture of this. Okay, first answer will be pieces of clothes, polythene bags, broken glasses, broken glass, aluminum wrappers, and nails and broken toys are not converted into compost. Why the red worms? Second answer B is earthworms. Small insect like ant millipedes are found in pits. Okay, and this is like figure second answer. Okay, so this is also figure second answer. Okay, so question number second, discuss. First question is A. Is garbage disposal the responsibility only of the government? Okay, so answer is no. No, not just the government. What? Everybody is responsible for garbage disposal. We should bifurcate we and dry waste, recycle the non-biodegradable substance, and we should also reduce the accumulation of garbage in our house and streets. Okay, question number 2B is it possible to reduce the problems relating to disposal of garbage? Solution is yes, it is possible to reduce the problems of garbage by scientific disposal of garbage. We can do it by bifurcation of different waste, and also by recycling the waste materials. Okay, question number third. Question number third A is, what do you do with the leftover food at home? Okay, answer will be here. Leftover food can be collected and used to form a compost. Compost reduces and nutrients necessary for the growth and development of plants. Second question number B is here. If you and your friends are given the choice of eating in a plastic plate or a banana leaf platter at a party, which one would you prefer and why? Okay, question number V answer will be here. Okay, we would prefer to eat food on a banana leaf plate because it acts a harmless substance which help to form manure by the process of compositing, whereas plastic plates cannot be converted into harmless substances by compositing. Plastic plates are not degradable. Okay, degradable degradable, hence can persist in the environment and cause many problems. Okay, question number 4 A answer is, collect pieces of different kinds of paper, find out which of this can be recycled. Okay, answer will be here. Okay, answer is here. Papers such as newspaper, notes, books, magazines, okay, can be recycled easily. However, shiny and coated papers cannot be easily recycled. Question number 4B question is, with the help of a lens, look at the pieces of paper you collected for the above questions. Question, do you see any different in the materials of recycled paper and a new sheet of paper? answer will be here. Okay, recycled paper is usually thick or rough when compared to a new sheet of paper. Okay, question number 5. Question number 5a is collect different kinds of packing material. What was a purpose for which each one was used? Discuss in groups. Okay, answer will be here. Okay, different kinds of packing materials used commonly are cardboard used as shoes, soap, bulb, and other boxes. Plastic bags, toys, covers, sarees, bags, shopping bags, etc., etc. Okay. Wooden boxes, fruit baskets, and boxes for hardware. Okay, jute bags, school bags, shopping bags, vegetable bags, etc. Okay, and b question is given an example in which packing could have been reduced. Okay, so by reusing the packing material, we can reduce the accumulation of baggage. Okay, third c question is write a story on how packing increases the amount of garbage. Okay, garbage है. Okay, garbage है. ठीक है. Okay, so the basic purpose of packing is to protect the product from tampering and the maintain its freshness and purity. However, most of the packaging material is used to beautify the boxes and make them look attractive on the shelves. Unfortunately, a large volume of packaging material goes waste and it thrown into the dustbin. Okay, for example, this. Okay, so next question, this is your in this is you also read. Okay, so question number 6 is, do you think it is better to use compost instead of chemical fertilizers? Why? Okay, solution is yes, it is better to use compost instead of chemical fertilizers for the following reasons. First reason is it is to prepare compost. Second reason is compost is environment friendly. It it does not cause any health issues in human and animals. Third reason is compost will be not causes pollution. Fourth reason is compost increase soil fertility. And fourth answer reason is compost is biodegradable. Okay, so complete of this chapter. Okay, so check description for all chapter solution. Okay, please check description. So